So we have solved both the quizzes, right? Quiz 1 and quiz 2 for both the sections, including the multiple choice and the true false and the numerical problems and so on. So just in parting, just 1 or 2 minutes with you, that what should be the strategy for you to prepare for the exam. You know that the mid comprises of chapters 1, 3 and 6. 1 is general, no numerical problems. Problems are only in 3 and 6. So the strategy should be first that solve all the solved examples again independently. This means that in the lecture notes and in the classes, the examples that we solved, some of them were simple, some of them were very nice and big ones. So resolve all the class examples again independently, hide the solution and solve them again. Second, solve all the homework problems independently. It is generally unfortunate. I am not mentioning you as an individual, but it is unfortunate generally that 1 or 2 people solve the homeworks or get the solution from somewhere and the rest of the class generally copies it and submits it. So there are 2 problems. One, I keep on reminding you, this is an ethical, moral problem. You see, Allah Ta'ala is there and the angels are there. They are watching us. So you are not solving it and you are submitting it as your own work. So this is unethical. So that is one thing. The second is a much bigger problem. These homework problems are given for you to have a good practice for quizzes and exams. But when you don't solve them and just submit them as a copy, then your preparation for the exam is very weak, right? So whatever you did, was it your own solution? Very good. It was somebody else's solutions. But now solve all the homework problems yourself. Hide the solution, solve each of the homework problems yourself. So then I guarantee in the class and again that if you have solved all the class examples and all the homework problems by yourself and you know what mistakes you are making, then you are already above average. You are above C plus, B minus and so on. But if you want to reach A minus, A and something like that, then this last suggestion, which I do in the class also, that go to the chapter. At the end of the chapter, there are certain problems. Some of those problems are already covered in homeworks and so on, leave them. Whatever other problems are there, you can solve all of them if you like. But I would select only 2 or 3 of the end of chapter problems, which are really tough. If I can do the really difficult ones, then all else is okay, right? So these 3 steps, solved examples in the class, homework problems, a few difficult problems at the end of the chapter. And that is it, right? So if you do that, then you hopefully can have a very good grade. So with that, we have finished this tutorial. This is the thing that we always do, that before the midterm and before the final, we do only a tutorial class, no new material. We just revise the solutions and so on, so that it gives you a better practice. So all the best for your midterm exam, inshallah.